Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll show you how to cancel a Zelle payment. Firstly, launch the Zelle app on your device, whether you're on Android or iOS. Now you'll have to select the payment. On the main screen, find and tap on the payment you want to cancel. Then choose to cancel option. Look for the option to cancel the payment. If the recipient does not have a Zelle account, the payment will be cancelled immediately. Just note that if the recipient does have a Zelle account and the payment has already been processed, you may not be able to cancel it. In such cases, you may need to request the recipient to send the money back. And by following these steps, you should be able to cancel a payment sent through the Zelle app successfully. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.